Delicious zucchini pancakes. So you're going to need onion, garlic, zucchini, egg, carrot, cabbage, paprika, salt and pepper, baking powder, and flour. Removing the outer leaf of the cabbage. Finely chop. Grate the pre-washed zucchini. Next, your carrot. Chop up your onion and your garlic. Just get your hands dirty. I use sea salt, about a teaspoon. Lots of pepper. About a teaspoon of paprika. Mix it thoroughly and let it sit for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, now we're going to add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 4 tablespoons of flour. Get everything a good mix. After mixing it for a good 5 minutes, see how it's getting moist? It gets nice and moist because that zucchini just releases its liquid. So now my batter is ready to go. Medium heat. I just use canola and just drop by the spoonful. Turn the heat to medium-low. So after about 4 minutes, check. And it looks good. It's ready to flip. So after 4 minutes, just check. They look good, then take them off. They look good to me. Serve it with a dollop of sour cream. And chives. Delicious and moist. Mm.